2015 and newer, the Volvo XC90 C5 will work with this mech. Before you start doing the brake, create the skin tool to put the wheel brake in service mode. The skin tool like this, the Maxxis MS 906 PS. You'll be able to put it in service mode, and it works on that one. Alright, I'll make a review on that later on in another video. I already have the brake in service mode, so let's start by compressing the caliper. Just like that. There is two caps in the back right here, so let's remove them. This one is two of them before the slider pen. Let's remove the brake rotor returning screw. It is a T30. Now let's remove the caliper slider pen. It is an Allen key 7mm. It's loose. Same thing at the bottom. Just like that. You can leave it in the boot like that. It will be fine. Now let's remove this clip. Before you take it off, make sure the pad comes with new one, and mine it comes with it, so we can just remove it. It is the anti-water clip. Let's just pop it off the caliper, just like that. Here it is. Now let's take the caliper off. There it is. You know the brake pads. It's metal to metal. 2019. I see 2019 Volvo, by the way. Metal to metal. Now let's remove the caliper bracket bolt. It is 250mm, one on top and one on the bottom. Let's break it free. Here's the caliper bracket. Now let's remove the rotor. And the hammer for that. Let's hit it. Let's clean up the hub with a wire brush. Let's put the caliper in the screw. Put the rotor in the screw end. The caliper brush. The caliper bracket is back in, so let's tighten the bolts at the bottom. So now use the brake pads. Make sure you put the one with the clip in the back and this one in the front, like this. Put the brake pads in like this. Alright, brake pad number 1. Brake pad number 2. The one with the clip go in the back. Pay attention to this. Okay? This one go on the back. The regular one go on the front. Okay? Now let's put the caliper in. Okay, the caliper is in place. Now let's put the slider pen bolt in. It's a Allen key. Use the Allen socket. It's a 7mm. Caliper's bolt in. Let's put the cap back on. Just like that. Now we're gonna put the anti-water clip. So the anti-water clip go in that hole, both through the hole in the caliper like this, right? And like that. And you're gonna need a screwdriver to put that part, to compress it to the back like this. 1 second. So all is done. I couldn't film that part because I need 2 hands to do this. You put that one at the bottom first, and you put it right there, right? And you put this one in, and you use a screwdriver like this and pry it so you can go over that part of the caliper to be seated. Now it is in. Let's make sure it's fully seated, right? Just like that. And that's it, guys. That's how we do it. It's all done. put this thing in like this. It should be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.